Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Guys, I want us to talk about Dr. Nandipha Magudumane and Thabo Bester. Like, guys, these people recently attended a court appearance, or but they were in court. Ne? And guys, I'm not happy. Like, I'm really not happy. Okay, I know Guti, they did something wrong. They deserve to rot in jail and whatnot. But Dr. Nandipha, okay, you can see what we are goa. Like we are goa, guys. Shame, I feel for her now. And then on the other side, to Thabo Bester, we are glower. Guy has a new cut. Guy is looking yazini she sanje, like he's looking fresh. On the other side, Dr. Nandipha Magudumane has this face nje, yazini has this unpleasant face. You can see ukuthi nje girl uyagowa, she doesn't want to do this anymore. And beginning of this trial, like when they were still starting court cases, girl would appear in court nama makeup. Girl would appear. This other time she was wearing a Nike from head to toe. She would be doing her eyebrows. Girl would appear in court with new hairstyles. Even people were even surprised. How do people get new hairstyles in jail? Girl appeared with new braids. Like people were shocked. About Dr. Nandipha, they are living their life in jail. They are still wearing a Nike. They have new hairstyles, makeup, but glow, and you can't even tell who this person is from jail. But now, your Sana, hi Sana, I feel for her. Now she is feeling the heat. She was not even smiling. The hair doesn't look good. The face, she looks so old. She looks so old. Thabo Bester is smiling. Lapiana, uyaglowa, wenzani. Kanti nimenzani uNandipha nina lapha ejele? I feel like, yeah, she looks like she doesn't want to do this anymore. She looks hungry. She looks tired. Are you guys abusing our Nandipha there by the jail? Because wow, shame. Wow. And Thabo Bester has all the powers. Most now, lower mind, he is living the life. And also, it was alleged that he has a private cell with TV. Nan. Why is he not making a plan for our Dr. Nandipha? How, Sana, Thabo Bester, you need to do better, Sana. This person is in jail because of you. Well, not entirely because of him, but like now, Pela, how zama uphathi mama right? Like yo, Shem guys. I don't know. What do you guys think of the recent appearance of Dr. Nandipha? Do you guys think Pela she deserves it, or do you think maybe they're doing something to her in jail, or maybe she misses her family, her kids, she regrets everything? Because you're that face, she doesn't look happy at all. But guess Hannah, who would be happy in jail? Like, anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.